Hi, Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing with how to organize for multi-purposes with a multi-purpose bin. I just love the multi-purpose bin from the Container Store, and in this video I'm going to tell you why. I have always favored clear containers for organizing systems. Wherever possible, reveal, don't conceal. And for years, these two basic models have pretty much covered it. First, for items in remote storage, what I call stockroom storage, we like these transparent bins with lids. For more accessible storage, like pantries, what I call showroom storage, we like these crystal clear iDesign acrylic bins to facilitate findability and accessibility. Up until just recently, I thought that pretty much covered it. That is until I discovered the benefits of the Container Store's multi-purpose bins. Here's why they're so great. 1. They work in both stockroom and showroom storage. They work in showroom cabinets where you need to maximize full height storage, but don't want an access blocking lid. They work on garage and basement shelves where you require more regular access. 2. They accommodate vertical items. Flat items and square items are fine in bins, but the multi-purpose bins are far more accommodating for tall and rolled up items, all easily accessible from the top. 3. Clear and cost-effective. These are in keeping with the need for clear, smaller containers, but are significantly more budget-friendly than the clear lucite bins. 4. Adjusts to category size. Not only do the multi-purpose bins fill up the height of a shelf more efficiently, they adjust to your category needs and the functions within a category. For example, car wash or painting. 5. Space efficient. Not only do the multi-purpose bins fill up the full height of a shelf tier, they are minimally tapered for maximum space usage. They're tapered just enough to nest, but not so much as to waste space width, like this bin variety. Here are just a few examples of where the multi-purpose bins rock. Arts and crafts and schoolwork. The open top makes it easier to put learning materials away. The handles make them easy to bring to and from the kitchen table, and the bins fit beautifully inside cabinet shelves. Pantry. Snack bags and other structureless packages stand up in these bins, which saves shelf space. Magazine storage. Magazines can stand up to save shelf space and gain visibility. I first started using the multi-purpose bins a while ago for car storage. Also, for every job we do, we bring a cleaning kit, which fits perfectly in a large size bin. We also bring a folding table and a pack of banker boxes to every organizing job. And look how well they fit with the multi-purpose bins. Sweet. Auto and car wash. I was using big, unusable bins for car items. So I reevaluated what I was actually using and separated car wash items from general auto supply with the multi-purpose bins. Now, both are much more visible, accessible, and usable. These car wash bins are great for carrying out to the driveway. Painting. I organize my painting supplies into stages: prep, application, and cleaning with the multi-purpose bins. I can easily grab and carry as needed. Gardening. Again, the MPBs are the MVPs for vertical and structured storage. The multi-purpose bins are also great for organizing smaller toys, organizing cleaning supplies and other under-sink storage, laundry items, and even items in your refrigerator. With Maggie's dog park closed down for renovations, we're hosting dog gatherings on our front lawn. I pre-chill beverages for the event in these bins, then drop them in the cooler with ice. Removal is easy, and so is preparation for the next event. Finally, the multi-purpose bin is a great tool for the subject of my book, The Circulation Solution, a plan for movement in a series of manageable, reliable stages. For more small items than will fit in two hands, I keep a small multi-purpose bin in the garage. It's more transparent and structured than a bag. For more easy organizing tips and products, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.